Good morning and welcome to the video for April the 3rd. This is for 3rd grade covering the work from April the 2nd. So as you can see, I'm in my classroom today. I'm going to be working on getting packets ready and so forth so that those could be picked up on Monday. So hope all of you are doing well. Let's go ahead and take a look at our problems for today. So today we were working with place value and being able to represent that through models and using word form, expanded form, and standard form for writing the numbers. So let's take a look at number one, which model shows the number 1032. So here's our 1,000 blocks. These are 100 blocks, these are 10 blocks, and then over here we have 1 block. So this is going to give us 1,230, so that's too large. Letter C is going to be our correct answer. Here's our 1,000 block, 3 10 blocks, and 2 1 blocks. Number 2, what is the word form of the number 8,002? So if we look, I just said 8,002, that would match up with letter B. Number 3, what is the expanded form? So we're taking the number and we're stretching it out based on each place value. So we have a 6 in the thousandths place, so that would be 6,000. We have a 2 in the hundreds place, which would be 200. And we have a 5 in the ones place, so we would have 6,000 plus 200 plus 5, and that matches letter C. Number 7, find the value of the digit 7 in the numbers. So we have the first one, the 7 is in the thousands place, so it would be worth 7,000. The second one, we have it in the hundreds place, so it would be worth 700. The third one, we have it in the tens place, so it would be worth 70. The fourth one, we have it in the 10,000s place, so it would be worth 70,000. And the last one, we have it in the hundreds place, so it would be worth 700. I have 4,088 bags, so I'm supposed to write that in expanded form. So that would look like this. So we would have 4,000 plus 80 plus 8 would be the way that we would do that. So number 9, we have 50,287 seats. Describe whether or not the correct word form or expanded form of this number shows up. So we start with 50,287. That would be correct. Then we have 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 80 plus 7. That would give us 52,087. So the third one, we have 50,000 2,800. So that actually matches if we combined both of these, and we did, well, almost, if we had an 800 here. So this would give us 52,807 if we did that. So that one is not going to work. And our last one, the expanded form 50,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 7 is correct. Number 11, let me try to hide, well, so much for that. Mr. Diaz drove a car a certain number of miles, so we can start by finding our largest place value. Our largest place value would be the 10,000s place, so we would have a 2 there. Then we go to the thousands place, and it says that it would be 8. Then we can go to the hundreds place, then to the tens place, then to the ones place. You could also just kind of put 5 blanks. What I've done before is write like 5 little lines here, and then because I know it's going to be a 5-digit number if we have 10,000s, and then I would just write the digits as we go. So the 2 would go here, 2 would go here, 6 would go here, and 8 would go here and here. So those are 2 different ways that you could do that problem. Number 13, Philippe and Ava wrote the word form for the number 9,101. That is going to match what Philippe wrote. So if you want to pause that and take a look at that real quick. Otherwise, the mistake that Ava made was she was continuing using place value from thousands to hundreds to 10 and missed that there would be a 0 in the tens place. So when we're writing one of these problems in expanded form, we are not traditionally going to write the zeros to represent the place value of the digit 0. So if I go back up here, I'm not going to write 9,000 plus 100 plus 00 for the tens place plus 1. Which is what I tried to show down here. So it's on us to be able to make sure that we are paying close attention and that we are able to understand that that particular value is not going to show up. So those are the problems for today. I miss you guys. Hopefully the video I sent out to the parents last night and for you guys as well has been helpful for being able to get on Google Classroom. Again, if you have any questions, I've had a few parents reach out to me. I still have to check more emails. I answered some before I went to bed last night, but I haven't been on my email yet at the time of recording this. So that will happen. So some of you may not hear from me until you get to see some of these, like today's video or something like that. But do know I will be at my email a lot the next couple days when I'm working with getting the packets put together and so forth. I'll take little breaks so I can answer questions. So hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all tomorrow.